Hey guys, so quick video on how you can possibly fix if your heart rate monitor is not working for your Garmin. So I was looking for the solution, how to actually do it. This is something I found, maybe it's going to help you. So I first tried restarting the watch. So completely turning it off, turning it on. This is the first thing. If it's not working, then try to soft reset. It really depends like what kind of Garmin you got. I got no idea. But what you want to do is that it preserves all your watch settings. So just look on Google or YouTube how to do the soft reset. And if that is not going to work out, try to do the hard reset. Maybe the hard reset is going to actually help. So I hope one of these is going to actually help you to fix this issue. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye. And yeah, so first soft reset, restarting the watch, then soft reset, then hard reset, and maybe some of it is going to help you. I hope so.